Hey art lovers, welcome to Ozartz. Let's slow down, create and feel our best today. Today I'm painting fluffy clouds and shimmering water reflections. Let's start by drawing the line of horizon. With a thick brush, wet the entire sky area. Gently layer the entire area with shades of blue. Take a tissue paper, crumple it and start lifting the blue color from the paper. See the magical fluffy clouds emerging. Add green shoreline to separate the sky and the water. Next comes my favorite part, the river. Using horizontal strokes, layer different shades of blue while preserving a few white highlights. These little untouched areas help create the illusion of sunlight dancing on the water. These horizontal reflections make the water feel calm and realistic. Finally, deepen a few shadows, soften some edges. And add tiny birds in the distance to bring the landscape to life. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to follow Ozartz for more mindful DIY art. Do like, comment and share my videos. See you in the next creative break. Bye.